Hey guys, I'm Royal. If you plan on towing a trailer with your Toyota Highlander, you're going to need some wiring done. It's required by the law. Let's break down the install. You'll need the tools seen here to complete this installation. Your Toyota Highlander will most likely have a quick connect located under the driver's side paneling. To start, we'll be removing this panel. Next, we're going to lift up on this middle panel and take our passenger side panel out, exposing the window shade and removing that as well. Now we're going to remove these two push pins located here, and we'll be popping these out using a trim panel tool. With the two push pins removed, we can now remove the cargo tray. Next, we have to remove this scuff panel by removing these two push pins. With our scuff panel removed, we can now remove the black paneling on the driver's side. To do so, we have to unscrew these two plastic nuts using our hands. With our black panel removed on the driver's side, it exposes our quick connect. If your vehicle does not have a quick connect, you'll have to get trailer wiring that is wired through the taillights on your vehicle. To see that install, click on the link above. Now we'll take our provided wiring and plug it into the quick connect and our provided amp fuse and put it in right here. You have two options when stowing your 4-flat wiring harness. The first option is to drop it through the grommet right here in the vehicle. We can remove the black grommet on the driver's side and place the 4-flat and feed it through. With the 4-flat through the grommet, we can now grab it and mount it to the rear of the bumper using a mounting bracket. So our customer wanted to go with option 2, leaving the 4-flat in a storage tray and pulling it out as needed when ready to tow. So now we can reinstall our cargo area. With our wiring completely installed, we need to make sure it has power. To do so, on our driver's side, we're going to lift up our fuse box and check to make sure the towing fuse has power. So you should have a 20 amp fuse located right here. Ours does not, so we will place a 20 amp fuse inside. With wiring installed in your Toyota Highlander, you can now tow a trailer. Have fun, enjoy the outdoors, and we'll see you out there. If you have any questions about the products seen in this video, or if you need to schedule an installation with the U-Haul Hitch Professional, visit us online today at uhaulhitches.com.